Operating system RHEL 9.x or 8.x commands cat/etc/redhat-release DNF update systemctl start service underscore name df-h free-m journalctl-u service underscore name dnf install package underscore name user add username firewall-cmd-list-all sc status sysctl-w fs.file-max is equal to 1 lakh configuration file /etc/m.repos.d /etc/etc/linux/fs/etc/host/etc/sysctl.conf Enterprise Linux stable, secure, widely used in finance. Ubuntu 18.x or 20.x LSP underscore release hyphen A apt apt update apt upgrade systemctl start service underscore name df-h free-m journalctl-u service underscore name apt install package underscore name user add username ufw allow 22/tcp ae-status /etc/apt/sources.list /ept/netplan /etc/fstab /etc/host. These are the configuration files. User-friendly Linux common in diverse environments. Tools and technologies Red Hat Satellite subscription-manager register-org is equal to org underscore name activation key is equal to key underscore name. Subscription-manager repos list hammer content-view publish-id cv underscore id hammer host list subscription-manager refresh /etc/rhsm/rhsm.conf /etc/m.repos.d/redhat.repo manages RHEL systems, patches and subscriptions. Veritas cluster services VCS HA start, HA stop, HA status -sum, HAGRP online service underscore group sys system underscore name, HARES online resource underscore name sys system underscore name, HACF-verify /etc/VRTSVCS VRTSVCS/conf/config /etc/VRTS/conf/config/main.cf/etc/LLT tab/etc/gab tab ensures high availability via clustering. Veritas Volume Manager VX disk setup-i device underscore name VXDG init disk group disk underscore name is equal to device underscore name VX assist-g disk group make volume underscore name size VX vol start volume underscore name VX disk list VX print-ht /etc/vx/vol boot /etc/vx/disk group/disk group.config manages logical volumes for storage. Ansible all-m ping Ansible-playbook-i inventory.ini playbook.yml Ansible-inventory-list Ansible all -m shell -a double quote uptime. Ansible playbook syntax check playbook.yml. Configuration files ansible.cfg host.ini playbooks YAML file. Automates configuration and deployment tasks. Installing OS dd if is equal to is underscore file of is equal to /save/stx bs is equal to 4m. So if means input file, dd is for copy, of is output file, bs is block size 4 MB. Configuration file ks.cfg RHEL kickstart file installs OS on physical or virtual servers. Troubleshooting RHEL journal ctl-xc system ctl status service underscore name ping host traceroute host netstat-tuln ss-tuln tcp dump -itil0 strace-ppad sar-u15 iostat-x15 vmstat 1 space 5. So diagnoses and resolve system issues. Scripting /script.sh python script.py cron tab-e logger double quote message awk in single quote double braces in braces print $1 file.txt set in single quote yes/old/new/g file.txt perl-e single quote print double quote hello world \n script.sh script.py automates tasks with bash python etc. Hardware and network NMCLA con show, IP ADDR show, ping host, telnet host port, MDADM create /save/MD0 level is equal to 1 read devices is equal to 2 /save/STA/save/STB STA1 STB1 NMCLA con add type is bond if name bond 0 bond dot options a double quote mode is equal to active backup lsblk lsblk fdisk -l lv create capital L size -n lv underscore name vg underscore name /etc/network/interfaces /etc/sysconfig/network -scripts /etc/network manager/system connections manages server hardware and network. Cloud administration AWS EC2 run-instances -image -id AMI-XXX-count space 1 instance type t2.micro G-Cloud compute instances create instance name zone is equal to zone Terraform apply manages cloud-based servers AWS Azure GCP patching subscription manager refresh m clean all m update DNF update apt upgrade DNF config manager add repo underscore URL /etc/m dot repos dot d /etc/apt/resources dot list /etc/dnf dot conf apply security and feature updates. Monitoring tools stop htop glances nagios if installed Prometheus if installed creates guides, SOPs and runbooks, monitors system performance in real time. SAR-U15, SAR-R, SAR-D, /etc/sysconfig/systat, report CPU, memory, disk activity. iostat-X1 space 5, monitors CPU and input or output statistics. vmstat 1 space 5, tracks virtual memory statistics. NFS, export fs-a, show mount-e, mount-t NFS server :/share/mnt /etc/export shares files over network. DNS, dig domain, NS lookup domain /etc/resolve.conf resolves domain names. Apache CTL start or stop or restart /etc/httpd/com/httpd.conf runs web servers. A2EN mod module, A2EN site space site, SSH user @host SSH-keygen, systemctl restart SSHD /etc/ssh/ssh_config enable secure remote access. NTPD-q NTP date server time date CTL /etc/ntp.com synchronizes system time. Additional skills: kernel tuning, sysctl-w net.core. So maxcon is equal to 1024 sysctl-p ulimit-n 65535 /etc/sysctl.conf/etc/security/limits.conf. Optimize system performance. Backup and recovery. rsync-av/source/backup. tar-czf backup.or.gz/directory. Restore-f backup.or.gz. Ensures data protection and recovery. Security hardening. Systemctl disable service underscore name. Firewall-cmd-add-port is equal to 80/TCP. Set enforce 0 AA-enforce/path to profile /etc/slinux/config/etc/apparmor.d secure systems against threats.